Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to check your AWS certification status from the official AWS Training and Certification portal. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your browser. Now in the Google search bar, type AWS Training and Certification. Click on the official AWS Training and Certification link, and also I have provided the same link in the video description as well. You can directly use the link for quick access. Once the page loads, scroll down and look for the sign in option. Click on it. Now choose your sign in method based on your account type. Whether it's an AWS account, Amazon account or learner account, it may be a partner account as well. Enter your credentials and click on sign in. Once you are successfully logged in, look at the top menu and click on certification. Now expand the certification menu and select certification status from the drop-down. Here you will be able to see all the certifications you have earned, including their issue dates and the status. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyway, congratulations on earning your AWS certification. Thank you. Bye.